Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's short little video guide, I'm going to show you how to craft the perfect Pinterest SEO pin for max free traffic. I'm also going to include how to do correct keyword placement, how to do the best type of on-page SEO for your pin, and the best tips and tricks to help you succeed to get free traffic to your site, to your products, and if you want, to your squeeze pages to get those leads. Okay, but before any of this, it's really important that you have three crucial criteria set in place if you want this to work. Okay, step number one, you need to claim your website and or Etsy shop on Pinterest. So if you see on Pinterest here, there's a section called claim, right? Claim, there's a little underline under it. You can claim your websites, you can claim your Etsy shop, you can claim your YouTube channel. For this account, I have two Pinterest accounts. This is for my internet marketing account, okay? Ike Paz, Internet Marketing Gym, and Crispy Prints. But for my other account, when it comes to Printables, it's all about my printable shops, okay? Really important to understand. You want to claim this, okay? Now, how to claim it? Well, you can claim it the same way you set up your rich pins. And I'm going to show you that right here. So that's actually step number step number two. You need to enable rich pins on your website to pass metadata. So if I go to my website here, you can see I'm inside of Internet Marketing Gym. You can see that if I scroll down to the SEO section for the Yoast SEO, Yoast SEO is a plugin. Let me search that. Let me find that for you. It's a free plugin. Well, they have a free version, I should say, Yoast SEO. You can get this plugin attached to your WordPress website for free, and I just use the free version. Okay, once you got this plugin on your WordPress website, you want to go into social and you want to add your Pinterest confirmation number, or I should say serial, right here. Pinterest will give you their serial right here. This is not my actual serial. This is a made-up one. I don't want people, just using my serial number. But really important, you want to use your Pinterest confirmation serial number, the one that Pinterest gives you, okay? That's how you claim your site. That's also how you set up rich pins, right? Rich pins. If I go to my public profile, you can see that over here, there's a green check mark on my sites, both Crispy Prints and Internet Marketing Gym. I have this green check mark. Okay, that means it's verified. It's a business. Not only do I have a business account, but it's claimed as my website. Really important. Okay, and the last one here, number 3. Okay, you need to repin at least 9 to 15 pins a day of other people's content, other people's pins. Let me write that in here. Other people's pins. Okay. Not your own pins, but other people's pins. Now you might be saying, that's a lot of work, Ike. What do I do? Well, I use a little tool called Tailwind. I used to be an affiliate of theirs, but I stopped being an affiliate, but I still use their product. Okay, so I still recommend Tailwind if you don't want to do it yourself. Back in the day, I did it myself. And back in the day, you would have to repin more pins. I was pinning between 20 to 50 pins a day. Okay, now with this little tool, I recommend now, Pinterest has changed a lot since back in the day when I was using it. I recommend only 9 to 15 pins a day of other people's pins, okay? Really important. I use Tailwind, and right now I'm actually setting up my Tailwind for the rest of the month of February, and I thought to make this video for you, okay? But you can also do it on your own. Let me show you right quick how to do it. So if I go to my Pinterest account, and I put in something the niche I'm interested in, for example, KDP Amazon is one of the niches that I profit in. I sell puzzle books and whatnot. Let's say I go to this pin right here, and I want to add this to my internet marketing account. I'm going to just simply click save, and that's it. I've repinned this pin. And I know this is a good piece of content. Subhab Malik, for example, if you want a good channel to follow his channel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but he earns a lot with the Amazon KDP platform. Okay, so that's how you repin. So you need these 3 criteria met. First, you need to claim your website and or Etsy shop on Pinterest. Okay, you need to enable rich pins on your website to pass metadata between your WordPress site and your Pinterest account. Really important. And finally, you need to repin other people's content. At least 9 to 15 repins a day. Okay, you can use Tailwind or your own, or you can do it by yourself manually. Now you can't do it in one sitting. You got to do it throughout the day, okay? So at the best possible times, or the best possible times that on your Pinterest account where people are sharing and pinning the most, okay? That's one of the great things about Tailwind. They figure out what's the best times to repin on your account, and they start repinning on those times, during those times, okay? Really cool stuff. Okay, so now let's get into the meat and bones of this, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do to actually get success and get free traffic onto your pages on your website or your e-com site. Okay, first thing you want to do is click create and click create pin. Okay, now these days on Pinterest you can actually add stories, you can add videos, you can add all kinds of things, but images, I always go back to images, it seems. Okay, now I have this Pinterest pin. Let me show you right quick. Pinterest pin. Now, if I was doing this correctly, I'd be doing this on my Printables account, okay? My account where I sell printable goods. But for this example, I'm going to use the Internet Marketing Gym. Okay, so I'm going to add my Pinterest pin right in here, just like that. Okay. Now, I don't use. This is the reason why I'm not an affiliate of Tailwind anymore. I don't use Tailwind to pin my own pins. I use Pinterest to pin my own pins because I cannot find the add alt text within Tailwind, which is a big no-no, okay? Why? Because the add alt text within Tailwind gives me another opportunity, gives you another opportunity to add your keyword and improve your chances to be found on the search engine, on the Pinterest search engine. And let's not forget, Pinterest is a search engine. So let's go to my Pinterest tool here. If you're a Crispy Prints member, you probably have this. You can, or if not, just use whatever keywords you want to target. Let's put in cardboard 3D, or just cardboard masks. And we got cardboard mask kids for kids. Cardboard mask free, okay, cardboard mask ideas. Okay, good. So I'm going to use this cardboard mask for kids. Copy that. Add it in here. I'm going to put in monkey cardboard mask for kids. That's my keyword. Okay. I'm also going to add it within the add alt text right in here. And I'm also going to add a short description talking about this really cool product I have. Okay, so I'm going to put in, for example, create the best monkey cardboard mask for kids quickly and easily. Not only are these masks for kids fun to put together, but they offer your kids a chance to get hands-on fun. Hands-on hyphen on enjoyment. Okay, cool. Very short description. I have my keyword sprinkled in there, and that's it. That's on-page SEO. We're not done here. We want to, of course, first we want to add our link. Really important, add our link here to this product, right? Because we want our audience to click on this page and to get on over to our listing, be it your Etsy listing, or your WooCommerce WordPress listing, or your what's that other one? Shopify? Yeah, Shopify listing. Okay. Also, what I recommend is publish at a later date. Really important. Okay. But before that, you want to add your pin to the correct to the correct board on your account, right? You want your, for example, if I was doing this in real time, in real life, I would be adding this to my 3D cardboard mask collection, okay, or 3D cardboard mask category, okay? So it fits in nicely with that category, with that niche, okay? Once I add that, Once I add that, I'm going to publish this at a later date. Now, I'd publish this using the times given here by Tailwind, right? So for example, 11:28 p.m., if I blow that up, 11:28 p.m. according to Tailwind is one of the prime times for me to publish my content. So I will definitely use that time right here, okay? Okay, and publish at a later date. Again, you can add more keywords using the manual pin creation tool within Pinterest. And with Tailwind, you don't have that option. So I highly recommend you use the pin creation tool within Pinterest when publishing your own pins. So that's the video in a nutshell. I'll have more video content down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.